Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to add every card in Apple Wallet. Well, basically right now we don't have any program in Apple that you can actually add your card to Apple Wallet. But we can do that by using some apps. So we're going to open up the App Store right from here, as you can see. And basically you just need to find an application. So we're going to the search box here and type Pass4, which is Pass4 Wallet. And basically you just need to download and install this application. So as you can see, it has 5-star rating. So it is a very nice application that we can use right here. So it is a tool helping to digitize store cards easily. So you can put into wallet any info you want, like COVID certificate. So you can also pin some cards from here. So what you're going to do is download this. After that, just open the app and you'll find store cards here. You can add store cards, COVID passport, coupon, or ticket or personal cards. So basically if you're going to ticket, and we should add some ticket here, for example a concert ticket, and then we should add the QR code or scan the barcode of the ticket or the card. So just tap on scan, or you can select from photos and scan PDF document. So basically we have the barcode right here. So what you're going to do is add some details. So add the date, the time, and the place or seat. So for example F2, and we're going to scroll down and you'll find some options here to customize your card or ticket. Basically if you going to enable this use custom image, you can actually upload some image or select relevant locations. And here you can actually choose colors you want for this ticket or for this card. And basically here you can also create custom colors. So once you've done, just tap to add to wallet right here at the bottom. Once you add to the wallet, you can basically see your ticket or card that we have created. And if you want to see this on your wallet, basically go to your home screen, go back to your home screen here, and we're going to find the wallet app. So here, just tap on that wallet application, and then just need to tap on that now. And here at the bottom, you'll find your ticket or your card. So if you tap on this one, it will show you this card. So you can use this to your concert. So basically here, if you're going to go to past details, you'll find all the details that we have added. And you can also remove this pass if you don't need this ticket anymore. So just tap on that remove pass and it will remove to your Apple Wallet. And basically here, if you want to add the credit or debit card, just tap to add button and just need to follow all the instructions here to add cards to wallet. So look for the add to wallet button in apps so you can add your debit or credit card. Or basically you can go to Apple support. So if you're going to your browser and go to Apple support, right from here, you'll find all the instructions on how you can add your debit or credit card on your Apple Wallet. So that's it. That's how you basically add every card in Apple Wallet. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.